Dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we will start exercise 4.2. Okay. So let us start from question number first onwards. Question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. Okay. Here in all the parts. Okay. There are 5 parts of this question. Question number 1. So here we will use only factorization method, and factorization method you already learned in previous classes. Okay, in class 8th also, class 9th also, then in class 10th. Okay, so you know that how to factorize and find the roots. Okay, so there are 5 parts. I will take few questions. Okay, so common solution part. The first part is x square minus 3x minus 10. Okay, so this is the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. ओके, bx को इस तरीके से स्प्लिट करते हैं. द मल्टीप्लीकेशन शुड बी दिस पार्ट मीन्स ax square into c. Okay, bx divided into 2 part or split into 2 part such that the multiplication of ax square into c. Okay, and सम किसके इक्वल होना चाहिए? bx के, यानी जो bx पहले से दिया हो बाद में भी होना चाहिए. ये आपका कॉन्सेप्ट है फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड का. ओके ओके, so x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10. Okay, 3 minus 3x multiplication minus 10x square. ओके, सम माइनस 3x. ठीक है, तो यहां देखिएगा माइनस 5x प्लस 2x माइनस 5x प्लस 2x. ओके, सो सम माइनस 3x आया. देन मल्टीप्लीकेशन माइनस 5x इंटू 2x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 10x स्क्वायर आया ना. सो माइनस 5x वी विल टेक एंड प्लस 2x. अब प्लस 2x पहले लिखिए चाहे माइनस 5x पहले लिखिए, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्टेप. ओके, वी विल टेक कॉमन फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट x, वी टेक कॉमन. सो x माइनस इज लेफ्ट, and from here we will take 2 as a common, so x minus 5 is left. Now from whole x minus 5 is common, then what is left? X plus 2 is left. Then x minus 5 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. We can write separate. Then x equal to 5, because this minus 5 will transpose to the right side as a positive sign, so x is equal to 5, and this plus 2 will transpose to the right side as a minus sign. So x equal to 5 and minus 2. So root of this quadratic equation 5 and minus 2. Okay, so these are the roots of first part. One more part, third one. Root 2x square plus 7x 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so we need to split 7x like the sum must be 7x and product 5 root 2 into root 2 means 10. Okay, so root 2x square 5x plus 2x. Okay, the sum 7x and product 5 to the 10x. Correct? Okay, now from here we will take common x. Okay, so x take common, root 2x plus 5 remains. From here we will take root 2. अब आप यहाँ सोच रहे होंगे यहाँ पर तो root 2 नहीं है, बट root 2 into root 2 यदि करेंगे तो 2 ही तो आएगा. तो अगर हम root 2 यहाँ से ले रहे हैं तो root 2 बच गया, तो root 2 कॉमन √2x प्लस 5, यहाँ से √2 कॉमन ले लिया गया. ओके, नाउ फ्रॉम होल √2x प्लस 5 इज कॉमन, देन x प्लस √2, okay, left is equal to 0, then √2x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so we can say x is equal to minus 5 by √2, and x plus √2 is equal to 0. X plus √2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus √2, because √2 will come to the left side, sorry, right side as a negative sign, so minus √2, and here x is equal to 5 will come to the right side as a negative sign, so minus 5, and 2 will come as a denominator because left side in multiplication, so right side it will come as a denominator, so x is equal to minus 5 by √2. Okay, so x is equal to minus 5 by √2 and minus √2. So these are the root of the given quadratic equation. Okay, one more part, 4. This is fourth part. Okay, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8. Okay, multiplied by 8 in whole equation. So 16x square, 8 to the 16, 8x, 8 cancel, so 1 will remain. Okay, okay, you can do in fraction also, but it is easy to remove the fraction by multiplying. Okay, so multiplication must be equal to 16x square and sum must be minus 8x. So minus 4x multiplication plus 16x square and sum minus 4x, right? Okay, so from here we will take 4x as a common, so 4x minus 1 remain, then from here minus 1 we will take common, so 4x minus 1 remain. Okay, so from whole 4x minus 1 common, and what is left? 4x minus 1 is left. So 4x minus 1 is equal to 0, 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 in both the condition. So x equal to plus 1 by 4, because 1 will come to the right side as a positive sign and 4 as a denominator. So x equal to 1 by 4, here also x equal to 1 by 4. So x equal to 1 by 4, 1 by 4, or we can say the root of this quadratic equations are 1 by 4 and 1 by 4, equal roots, two real and equal roots. Okay, now word problems. Solve the problems given in example 1, so you can do. Okay, similar question number 3, 4, 5, 6 I will explain. Okay, in question number 2 go through the example number 1 and solve. Question number 3, find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Okay, sum given 27 and product is given 182. Okay, one solution part. Let one number is x, then another number is 27 minus x, because sum given 27, so one is x to another 27 minus x, right? Okay, and their product is 182. According to question, x into 27 minus x means multiplication of both the numbers is equal to 182. So 27x multiplication minus x square is equal to 182. So minus x square plus 27, 182 will come to the left side as a minus sign, or we can multiply by minus sign in whole term, whole quadratic equation, or we can write x square minus 27x plus 182, right? Generally we try to put the value or quadratic equation, the first part generally we keep as a positive sign. पहला जो टर्म होता है एक्स स्क्वायर को जनरली हम पॉजिटिव रखने की कोशिश करते हैं, नहीं रखेंगे तब भी आंसर करेक्ट आएगा. ओके, नाउ 27 को इस तरीके से स्प्लिट करना है. द प्रोडक्ट मस्ट बी 182x स्क्वायर एंड सम माइनस 27x. सो वी विल टेक माइनस 14x माइनस 13x, प्रोडक्ट 182 प्लस का, देन सम minus 27. Okay, then from here you will take x as a common, x minus 14 left. From here you will take minus 13 as a common, x minus 14 remain. So from whole x minus 14 is common, x minus 13 is left. Okay, so from here we can write x equal to 14. From here we can write x equal to 13. So the required numbers are 13 and 14. Now you can check your condition also. Sum 13 plus 14 is equal to 27, and product product 13 into 14 is equal to 182. This is your product. Okay, right? So both the conditions are satisfied here. Now question number 4. Find two consecutive positive integer, sum of whose squares is 365. Okay, two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. Okay, so come on, solution part. Okay, let two consecutive positive integers are x and x plus 1, or you can take x minus 1 also, x and x plus 1. These are the consecutive positive integers. Their square, okay, square sum is 365 given. So according to question, x square means the square are one number and square of another number, and sum, दोनों का sum is equal to 365. Now open the bracket, x square plus 1 plus 2x is equal to 365. X square plus x square 2x square plus 2x plus 1. 365 will come to the left side as a minus sign, so minus 365. 2x square plus 2x minus 364. Okay, we can divide by 2 this whole quadratic equation. So x square plus x minus 182. Okay, again हमें इसको इस तरह स्प्लिट करना है. 1x मीन्स x, वी कैन से सिंपली x, 1x नहीं लिखते हैं. ओके, so multiplication must be equal to minus 182x square and sum must be x. So 14x minus 13x, 14x plus का minus 13x, the sum is equal to plus x, and a multiplication minus 182x square. Both the conditions satisfied. So okay, now we will take common. Now we will take common from here, x we will take common, x plus 14. From here we will take minus 13 and x plus 14 is left. From whole x plus 14 is common, so x plus 14 as a common, x minus 13 is left. Okay. So from here x equal to minus 14, okay, which is not possible or not accepted because in question itself positive integer, na, positive integer, but here negative integer is coming, na, so it is not possible. And x equal to 13, so it is correct. So required numbers are 13 and x plus 1 means 13 plus 1 14. So required numbers are 13 and 14. These are the consecutive positive integer whose means whose square sum is 365. You can check also. ठीक है, 13 square 169 and 14 square 196. 9 6 15 की 5, ओके, 9 6 15 116 1121 3 365 आ रहा है ना, तो करेक्ट. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. The altitude of a right triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Okay, altitude of a right triangle, altitude means height of that triangle, 7 centimeter less than its base means base is 7 centimeter ज़्यादा है altitude height से. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, find the other two sides. So we will use here Pythagoras theorem. Let the base of the right triangle be x centimeter and its altitude is x minus 7 centimeter because altitude is less. अगर आप altitude x लेते तो base क्या हो जाता, x plus 7 हो जाता. Okay, now we know that from the Pythagoras theorem base square plus altitude square is equal to hypotenuse square. So base x square, altitude x minus 7 square and hypotenuse 13 square. Now open x square plus 49 minus 14x, a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to 169. Okay, so x square 2x square minus 14x plus 49 169 will come to the left side as a minus sign, minus 169 is equal to 0. So 2x square minus 14x, 49 plus 160 minus 169 minus 120 is equal to 0, right? Then 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. Then we will divide by 2 whole equation, whole quadratic equation. Then x square minus 7x minus 60 is left. Now we will split minus 7x, sum minus 7x and product minus 60x square. Okay, so minus 12x plus 5x, इन दोनों का सम minus 7x आ रहा है, प्रोडक्ट minus 60x square आ रहा है, right? Okay, so from here we will take x minus 12 as a common. From here we will take 5 as a common. X minus 12 is left. So x minus 12 is common and x plus 5 is left. So x plus 5. So x equal to 2, x is equal to minus 5, which is not possible because side of means altitude, or we can say sides of any geometry never be negative. कभी भी निगेटिव नहीं हो सकती, और वी कैन से मैग्नीट्यूड निगेटिव नहीं होगा यहाँ पर. सो वी विल टेक x इज इक्वल टू 12. सो बेस इज 12 सेंटीमीटर, ओके, एंड एल्टीट्यूड इज 12 minus 7, दैट मीन्स 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो फाइनली योर आंसर 12 सेंटीमीटर एंड 5 सेंटीमीटर. बेस इज 12 and altitude is 5. So I hope you understand. If any doubt, any confusion, you can ask me. I will explain again, no problem. Okay. In this exercise, in all the words problem, we use only factorization method. Okay. Now, the last question of this exercise. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of a production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day, means 2x plus 3 if the number of article be x. Okay, on that day, if the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, so find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Okay, let the number of articles produced in a particular day be x. Cost of each article 2x plus 3, twice the number of article, and more 3 more twice the article. So 2x plus 3 we can say this is the cost of each article. Total production is rupees 90. So number of product or article into cost of each article is equal to 90 is given on a particular day. So after opening the bracket, we will getting 2x square plus 3x minus 90, because 90 will come to the left side is equal to 0. Then 2x square plus 15x minus 12x, because product must be equal to minus 180x square and sum plus 3x. So अब यहाँ चेक कर सकते हैं 15x minus 12x plus 3x sum and product 15 into minus 12 minus 180. Okay. So from here we will take as x as a common. So 2x plus 15 from here minus 6 take as a common. So 2x plus 15 is left in both, from both 2x plus 15 as a common, x minus 6 is left. So x is equal to minus 15 by 2, which is not possible. Number of articles never in negative, and from here x equal to 6. Hence number of article be x, and cost of each article is 2 into 6 plus 3 means rupees 15. Okay, in a particular day made 6 articles and cost of each article 15. So on that day 15 into 6 रुपीज 90, टोटल कॉस्ट प्रोडक्शन रुपीज 90. तो जो कंडीशन है वो सेटिस्फाइड हो रही है ना. ओके, सो काइंडली गो थ्रू योर नोटबुक एंड कंप्लीट दिस एक्सरसाइज टुडे इटसेल्फ. ओके, आई थिंक इट इज सफिशिएंट फॉर टुडे. सो थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे.